Welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. In this video, we're gonna take a look on authentic visualization of bar series. Usually, our bar series look something like this. See, this is not that detailed. These are just simple straight bars distributed along a generator line. And don't get me wrong, this is good if you have, for instance, a rectangular stirrup in a column or a beam reinforcement. But what about differently shaped bars? What if you have something like this or this? How can you visualize them in bar series? Well, here's how. Let's create a sketch of a reinforced concrete wall, 2 meters tall and 30 centimeters wide. We're gonna put some straight bars. Let's offset this by 4 centimeters and create a standing bar, a vertical one, both bars, one bar, 16 mils. Okay, here's our vertical bar. Let's invert this one and mirror to the other side. All right. If we go inside the modification tab, in the number of bars we can type 1 + 1, and you can see this even in the labels. So 1 + 1. Okay. All right. We also need bar sections, so longitudinal bars, which we can see in this side view in the section. So aligned, diameter 12 millimeters, distance for example 20, and let's distribute this one. All right, and do a mirror. Okay, this is our concrete wall. And now, to connect these bar sections, we need this kind of stirrup. I'm gonna go ahead and make one of these as an outside bar. Yes. And we need 25 centimeters for this side. Okay, that's correct. Now, let's make the bar series for this outside bar. Bar series menu, linears, link to outside bar, and pay close attention to select the longest side of your bar. You can see if you did right when this box shows the correct length. The spacing is 20, and let's create it. Okay, as you can see, we have the basic form of bar series, which consists of straight bars. But our stirrup here isn't a straight bar. This has some bends and angles, and I want to help the builder to understand my drawing better. So I'm gonna enter into the modification panel for this bar series and enable this so-called section view. And what it does is that this converts my straight bars into the exact same shape of my stirrup. And this way we have a much clearer overview about what is happening inside this concrete wall. The only thing that these bars are facing upwards, but we can edit it by selecting the mirror bar option from the right-click menu. Okay, let's give them a filled state. Yes. And now we can see that this stirrup is distributed between these bar series sections. And if you want, you can also increase the spacing between them. So, and that's it. The good thing is that we can also do the same with variable bar series. And let me show you an example. So here we have another concrete element. This one has a trapeze shape. And now I do the same as before, only with variable linear bar series. I select the side of the outside bar, enter the spacing, create bar series, and now we have a simple one. And when I enable the section view, everything converts to the detailed representation. So that wraps up our look at the authentic visualization of bar series. Now you can see that having an accurate and detailed representation makes all the difference. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.